Hi, I'm Tom from Shoemaker Manufacturing Solutions, and today we're going to talk about some of the key features to the Boeing transmission lift, part number 930002. All of our lifts are equipped with 4 casters, 2 swivel, which can be locked in position, and 2 rigid casters. Each caster is able to hold 1,500 pounds. Each unit comes with 2 handles for pushing it around on a flat surface, and the handles also double as the handle for the pump. The pump is a 2-stage pump, so you can set it to fast, and you can also set it to fine tuning. Our hydraulic cylinder allows you to lift from 47.5 inches up to 84 inches. The weight capacity on it is 3,000 pounds when fully level. 2,000 pounds if you have the table tilted at 10 degrees. Here you have our swivel table, which is able to be tilted 10 degrees forward and back, and you can also tilt it 8 degrees laterally. It has these screws here, which allow you to fine tune it back and forth along the side to side. Our transmission lift requires no outside power to operate it. Everything's self-contained, and you can also move it using your fork trucks through these 2 tubes here and here. If you're interested in one of these Boeing transmission lifts, reach out to us at 215-723-5567.